kasi nakamotorsiklo. Always ready to go. Looking sideways dahil baka siguro you still wanna see the peripherals and be mindful of what's happening around, and yet medyo going towards a direction that is in front of you.
I love what you said po. Indeed, I agree. And ano po yung reaction ni Marian Rivera when you saw the cover?
Oo nga, no? Kasi
Nakita na ba niya?
sobrang busy.
Nakita.
Oo, sabi naman niya, paano nag-usap kami kanina? Saan ka nga mapupunta? Sabi ko yung Square launch nga. Oo nga pala, sobrang busy kasi. Siya rin, by the way, meron siya mamaya sa lubong sa kanya produkto na meron siya live selling. Anyway, so sabi niya congratulations, and she wished me luck, and alam mo, very very supportive talaga kami sa isa't isa. Lalo siya, at sa totoo lang, hindi naman ako makakapag-smile ng ganyan dahil sa kanya. Di ba? Tapos linansa niya yung pantalon ko, kaya sobrang
Inspired po.
papasalamat ako sa kanya.
And then, my last question po. Ano po yung sweet message na narinig mo sa two kids mo ever in your life?
Oh, sweet message. Maybe, not really a message. Okay, sweet message. Madami mga seryosong message yun. Na-post ko yun dati. Parang sinasabi nila na let's be here for each other. Kapag nagta-travel kami, mahilig kami magsulat sa isang pirasong papel. Kahit anong papel, get any paper you want. And then just write the things that you want for yourself, for one another, and just for the world in general. So parang magugulat ka sa mga pananaw nila kahit napakabata pa nila. Pero siguro, I can share one experience which is very recent. Kanina to, so naghatid kami sa school ng anak namin. At nakausap namin yung teacher. So it's the usual update na ito yung progress na anak niyo ulit yan. So my son, being 7 years old, the teacher asked him, like, what does your dad do? Sabi niya, well, he's a master cutter. What? Really? Like, yeah, he's a master cutter. So, natawa na lang talaga ako. So, siguro gusto niya paliwanag na, ano ba siya, sastre o talaga, it's just one of his roles. Kasi minsan nalilito siya, minsan makikita niya, lalabas ako ng Family Feud. So, although he knows I'm in the industry, I'm proud of the industry, I'm proud of what I do. Pero siguro ang takeaway ko doon ay kung ano man ang ginagawa ko, I have to make sure that one day they will be proud of me. Diba? Not just me, but also my wife. That's why we are very mindful of our body of work. Kung ano man yung ginagawa namin. Not just in movies and television, but also in the platforms that we are in. Diba? We, as much as possible, we really want to make sure that tayo siguro yung nagbibigay ng good vibes. So tayo nagbibigay ng inspirasyon kung siguro, kung meron man, di ba? Or basta hindi nagkakalat ng mga kung ano-ano na misinformation or disinformation man. We just really have to make sure of these things.
Thank you so much, sir. Congrats.